Good afternoon, all of you. My dear second class students, we will discuss about multiplication from your course book, page number 37, volume 3. Volume 3 course book, page number 37. So, already we have learned in this class once again, we am discussing about multiplication. See here, this is hundreds place, tens place, ones place, 135 into 2 beta. See, first the given number write in column wise according to their places. 135. See, 5 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place. Means 135 is multiplied with 2. Multiply with 2. See here, first we multiply ones place digit 5 with 2. Then you can read 2 table. See here, 2 5s are 10. Then write here beta, 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. See, 2 5s are 10. 10 is a 2-digit number beta. So here taking and carrying is there. So 10 in it, 0 is taking, write down the product of one's column. We have to write, see, the product of one's column. We can write 0 because 0 is in one's place. Here the one's place digit always taking and left the tens place digit always carrying beta. See here, carrying what beta? 1. Now next we multiply the digits in tens place. So here the tens place digit is 3. Did you understand? 3 is multiplied with 2. Ones place completed, then you can go tens place. So 2 3s are 6. So you can write 6 directly. No. So carrying 1 is there. We have carrying 1. Then 1 is added to 2 3s are 6. 1 is added to 6. So the carrying is always added to the next product. See here, next 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is carry. This carrying added to 6. 6 plus 1 you can get 7. Then 7 is a 1-digit number. 7 is a 1-digit number. So 1-digit number there is no carrying, only taking. Then you can write 7 directly where the product of the tens column. Now next we multiply the digits in hundreds place. See here, the hundreds place digit is 1. 1 is multiplied by 2. So you can need 2 table, 2 ones are 2. So 2 is a single digit, 1-digit number. Then you can write 2 directly, the product of hundreds place column. Then product is equals to 270. Now next one is 244 into 4. See here, listen carefully. So 244 in it, 4 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 2 is hundreds place. The given number is 244 is multiplied by 4. Multiplied by 4. That means you can read 4 table. Did you understand everybody? See here, first we multiply the digit in ones place. Ones place lo unnatuvanti digit nu manam multiply cheyali with the 4. So ones place read what beta here? 4. Then 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 is a 2-digit number. 16 is a 2-digit number. In it 6 is taking and write down where the product of the ones column. Then 1 is left. So 1 is carrying. 1 is carrying. Now next, we multiply the digits in tens place. See here, the tens place digit is 4 with 4. Then you can read 4 4 the 16. 4 4 the 16. So 1 is carry over, no beta? 1 is added to 16. Next, what do I have to do? You can do 4 is multiplied with 4. 4 4 the 16. So what is carrying here? 1. 1 is added to 16. Next మనం ఏం చేసాం బేటా? టెన్స్ ప్లేస్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి 4 ని ఈ 4 తో మల్టిప్లై చేసాం. ఎంత వచ్చింది? 4 4 ద 16. మన 16 కి క్యారింగ్ 1 యాడ్ చేయాలన్నా వద్దా? చేయాలి. సో దెన్ యూ కెన్ యాడ్ 1 to 16. ఎంత వస్తుంది నాన్న? 16 plus 1 you can get 17 బేటా. So 17 is a 2-digit number. 17 is a 2-digit number. So in it 7 is taking and write down product of the tens column. See here 7 ekkada rasam? Product of the tens class of rasam. Then here 1 is left. Now this is carrying. Again 1 is carrying. Now next what do I have to do? So we multiply the digit in hundreds place. Hundreds place lo unnatuvanti digits multiply cheyali. That is 2. The number is 2. 2 is multiplied with 4. Then you can read 4 table. 4 2s are 8. So 4 2s are 8. 1 is added to 8 because this is a carry over. Now you can add 1 to 8. 8 plus 1 you can get 9. This is the last digit, last number of the given problem. Then you can write 9 total. Where 9 written with the product of the hundreds column. So product is equal to 976. Write down everything. Only last carrying to now. అరే ఏమంటా ఇక్కడ now next hundreds times ones. The given number is 276 into 3 beta. 276 is multiplied by 3. Then you can read 3 table. First time I multiply the digits in 1 space. 1 space lo em undi beta 6 undi. So the 1 space digit is 6. 6 is multiplied with 3. Then you can read 3 table. 3 6 are 18. Write down. So 18 is a 2-digit number. 18 is a 2-digit number. So now here 8 is taking write down the product of the ones column. Okay. So carrying 1 beta. C for carrying. Did you understand? Now next we multiply the digit in tens place. That is 7. The tens place number is 7. 7 is multiplied with 3. Then you can read 3 table. 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21. So plus 1 is added to 21. Did you understand? 1 is added to 21. 21 plus 1 you can get 22 beta. So 22 is also 2-digit number. In it 2 is and taking write down in the tens column of the products. Now next this is to carry over. Now carrying 2 again. Next, we multiply the digits in hundreds place. That is 2. 2 with 3. Then you can read 3 table. 3 to the 6. So 2 is added to 6. This is the previous carry now. So 2 is added to 6. 6 plus 2 you can get 8. 8 write down in hundreds column of the product. Product of the hundreds column. Then product is equals to 828. Now this is completed. Next one is 353 into 2. The given number write in column wise according to their places. So 353 is multiplied with 2 table. First we multiply the digits in one space, that is 3. 3 with 2. So you can read 2 table. 2 3 is a 6 beta. 6 is a one digit number. 6 is a one digit number. So there is no carrying. Carrying good to the beta. So one digit number, there is no carrying. Then you can write 6, the product of the ones column. Now next we multiply the digits in tens place, that is 5 with 2. Then you can read 2 table. 2 5s are 10. See here. 2 5s are 10. 10 is a 2 digit number. So it has taking and carrying. 0 is taking right down in tens column of the product and carrying 1 on it. C is equals to 1. Then next we multiply the digits in hundreds place. Here 3 is the hundreds. 3 is in hundreds place. 3 is multiplied with 2. 2 3 is a 6. So 1 is added to 6. This is the previous carry. 6 plus 1 you can get 7. So this is the last place of the given number. Then you can write 7 directly. Here you can write 7 hundreds place of the product. Product of the hundreds place. Then product is equals to 706. Write down again. Now next, into 5. 432 is multiplied by 5. So you can read 5 table. First we multiply the digits in ones place. That is 2 with 5. 5 table read. 5 2s are 10 beta. So this is 2 digit number. Okay. In it 0 is taking right down in ones column and carrying 1 beta. Next we multiply the digits in tens place. The number is 3. 3 multiply with 5. Then you can read 5 table. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. So 1 is added to 15. 15 plus 1 you can get 16. 15 plus 1 you can get 16. In it 6 is taking right down in tens column of the product and carrying 1 bit. Now next we multiply the digits in hundreds place, that is 4. 4 with 5. Then you can read 5 table. 5 4s are 20. See here. 1 is added to 20. 20 plus 1 you can get 21. So this is the last place of the given number. So there is no number. Then you can write 21 directly. This like one. Product is equals to 2160. Now next, hundreds, tens, ones, 515 into 6. 515 515 See here, 515 is multiplied by 6. So here first we multiply the digits in ones place. 6 5s are 30 beta. So 30 is a 2-digit number. It has taking and carrying. Then 0 is taking right down in this column of the product and carrying 3 beta. Next we multiply the digits in tens place. That is 1. 1 is multiplied by 6. So 6 ones are 6. 3 is added to 6 beta. The remaining carrying here what? 3. 3 is added to 6. 6 plus 3 you can get 9. 9 is a 1-digit number. There is no carrying. Then you can write 9 where? Tens column of the product. Now next we multiply the digits in hundreds place. The number is 5 with 6. Then you can read 6 5s are 30. So here there is no carrying. You can read 30 directly. What is the product? 3090. The next one. Good. See, this is hundreds place, tens place, ones place. 734 into 2. So 734 is multiplied by 2. So first we multiply the digits in ones place. The ones place digit is 4. 4 is multiplied by 2. Then you can read 2 table. 2 4s are 8. 8 is a single digit number, 1-digit number. There is no carrying. So you can write 8 directly in tens column of the product. Next we multiply the digits in tens place. The tens place digit here 3. 3 is multiplied with 2. Then you can do 2 table. 2 3 is 6. 6 is a 1-digit number. Then you can write directly where? Tens column of the product. Then next we multiply the digits in hundreds place. The hundreds place digit is 7. 7 is multiplied by 2. Then you can read 2 table. 2 7s are 14. 14 is a 2-digit number. See here. But don't take carrying. Don't take carrying because this is the last place. The hundreds place is the last place. So we got 14. Then you can write directly 40. దీని తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ మనకు వేరే ప్లేస్ ఉందా లేదు, థౌజండ్స్ ప్లేస్ ఉందా లేదు, కాబట్టి ఈ 2 డిజిట్ను టోటల్గా రాయాలి. నౌ నెక్స్ట్ see here 327 into 9. 327 is multiplied by 9. First we multiply the digits in ones place. That is 7. 7 is multiplied by 9. Then you can read 9 table. 9 7s are 63. Better listen carefully. 63 is a 2-digit number. So here 3 is taking and write down in ones column of the product. Now the remaining number is 6. This is carrying bit. Now next we multiply the digits in tens place 2 with 9. 9 2s are 18 beta. So here 6. This is the previous carrying. 6 is added to 18. 18 plus 6 you can get 24. How much? 24. So 24 is a 2-digit number. In it 4 is taking and write down in tens column of the product and carrying 2 bit. Then we multiply the digits in hundreds place. That is 3 with 9. Then you can read 9 table. 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. Then so this is the previous carrying now. 2 is added to 27. 27 plus 2 you can get 29. Then you can write 29 directly because this is the last place of the given number. అంతేనా కదా? సో నెక్స్ట్ ప్లేస్ ఉందా మనకి లేదు. సో ఇక్కడ నీకు ఎంత వచ్చింది టోటల్? 29. 29 is a 2-digit number కదా. మరి ఇక్కడ క్యారీ ఉందా? Because this is the last base of the given number. So you can write 29 directly. So product is equals to 2943. Now next. into 2. So 948 is multiplied by 2. So in the given number, 8 is in one space. First we multiply the digits in one space, that is 8 with 2. Then you can read 2 table. So 2 8s are 16 better. 2 8s are 16. In it, which is taking 6. 6 is taking. 6 is taking right down in half term of the product, and the remaining number is 1. 1 is carrying. Now next what we have to do? Next we multiply the digits in tens place. Tens place lo unna digit multiply cheyandi. The digit is 4. 4 is multiplied with 2. 2 4s are 8. So add previous carrying. 8 plus 1 you can get 9. 9 is a 1 digit number. There is no carrying directly. You can write it. Part of the tens class. Now next this is last place of the given number, that is hundreds place. We multiply the digits in hundreds place. What is here? The digit is 9. The number is 9. 9 is multiplied with 2. Then you can read 2 table. 2 9s are 18. So 18 is a 2 digit number, but this is the last place of the given number. Then you can write 18 totally directly. There is no carrying. It's like so product is equals to 1896. Okay, thank you, beta. Today our class is completed. Thank you to all.